People shooting fireworks and it's fucking 11:18 a.m. People are trying to fucking sleep, but look, they shooting they dumb fireworks when people are asleep. Holy crap! Just watch. They gonna light them up again. But cover your ears because it's about to get loud. Morning. Headphones, earplugs. Look at what they're doing. Hey! Hey, I'm gonna call the police if they don't stop. Dang! They're gonna be ending up knocking the power out. That's okay. I'm gonna call the police if they don't stop. Stop that! But I got this shit on record. Oh, it smells out here. I'm outside right now. They about to shoot another one. Shoot them one damn thing, I swear to God. Calling the police on them bitches. This is it. Alright, that's it. I'm done calling the police now.